Hello everyone, I'm going to teach you how to make a ThingLink. A ThingLink is a Web 2.0 tool that allows you to annotate images, such as paintings, photographs, maps, or other graphics that you have saved as images. For instance, you could take a rubric and you could annotate it using exemplars or examples of vocabulary. So here we go. We're going to get started. In the center of the screen, there is a Get Started button. If you do not have a ThingLink account, that is what you would click. So Get Started. You don't want that. Any of these paid ones will, unless you really want to. But I would choose the free one. So go ahead and get started there. And log in with Google will allow you to use your evergreen credentials. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and exit out of there, out of that bad boy, go all the way back up here to log in. It's in the upper right-hand corner. Log in with Google, evergreen credential, and here we are in my dashboard. Up here in the right-hand corner of the screen, there is a red Create button. We're going to go ahead and click that. And choose an image, and right here in blue. Now there's different things you can do. You can upload from your hard drive, you can choose a web link or address, you can import from Facebook, or you can import from Flickr. Now I have an image that I want to use, so I'm going to go to Upload from Hard Drive. Choose an image. I'm going to use a graphic that I use for mythology and when I teach the hero's journey. It is the monomyth wheel, as popularized by Joseph Campbell. And there it is. So I'm going to title it The Hero's Journey. There it is. Now, each of these steps is something the hero goes through. What we want is examples so that students can visualize what it is we're talking about. I like to use Star Wars as an example. So we would click here and you have this little cross, click, and it creates this red button for you. Now you can edit how it looks. You can make it any color. I like to make it red so it stands out. And then you need to find something to put there. Now the call to adventure is when the hero is called to adventure. The example I like to use is, "Help me, Obi-Wan. You're my only hope." And there it is. Here's the video. And pause. Here up here in the navigation bar, you would highlight the address to your video. Then Control-C using your keyboard. Come back to your ThingLink, and up here in the left-hand corner of your screen, you have link or image address. You would click it so it inserts your cursor. Then Control-V to paste that address. And here you are. It's right there on your screen now. Now, you would go through every part that you want to annotate. Okay? I already have one created, so I'm going to go back to that to show you how to embed it. When you're done, you would save image. It's down here in green. Okay, so let's go back to my dashboard. Okay, up here, we would click Me, and here are all the things that I've made. I've gone through several editions of the monomyth wheel. Here is the original that I made a couple of days ago. So I'm going to click that, and then to share it to its learning, I would click the Share button. See on the side, there's this navigation of things that you can do. I'm going to click Share, and it gives me a couple of different options. Now here's a link that you could put in its learning, and here's the embed code. So I'm going to copy code to clipboard. It's all copied for me. Come back to its learning. Up here in the right-hand corner, add content block, then rich content, block title, and I'm going to title it ThingLink. Then right here, your little circle with the little carrots, you can click it. Click your cursor, Control V, that inserts your code, then insert, and it's going to need a moment to think there. There it is. Now, OK. It's going to need another few moments to think. And here it is, right here on top. And see, students can hover over and access it directly from your page. Okay? There. Now, you want students to access it from your page, not to sign in and do it themselves, because there are potential privacy violations in that. So we've been asked to be very careful about what we have students sign into. So that is how you make a ThingLink. Thank you for watching this video.